welcome back. So today we're going to be building a cold air intake.
It's good to see all 10 of you again. We missed you.
Yeah.
7 probably by this point.
So where are we going? Home Depot?
Yep.
We're going to Home Depot. We're gonna just use the old like box air filter, but we're basically just taking the silencer off of the air filter on these GMT 800s, and it's gonna make it sound better. We don't know if it's gonna perform any better.
Probably not.
Yeah, we're gonna. It should help a little bit, maybe.
It's gonna be content one way or the other. You notice I wore the shirt?
Hey.
See how terribly this fits me?
Hey, nice.
And then it's gonna cut over from there.
Whatever you say, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut a good chunk out of your
Out of my what?
fan shroud.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Maybe.
So we're doing a sound test with the silencer on still, which is this thing. Yeah, it's just gonna hop in and rev it a little bit.
Hey, Meme said she's trusting you. Man, I guess I'll have to get another one of those from the junkyard if it doesn't work out. Mechanical fan doesn't, when you're going 60, it's literally the air that passes over it, and then you'll have another fan here by next weekend. And then go back up and you'll be fine. You only need the fan at slow speeds. When you're on the highway, it's the air.
Since we took off the mechanical fan, I will be getting another electrical fan to put on there. That way we still have some airflow, but as of right now, I am going to take a drive home. It's about 20 miles or so. And I'm going to be checking the average economy to see if taking that silencer off and the mechanical fan affected the MPG at all. Because for the longest time, the average economy was at 10.3 miles per gallon. We had to take that CV off one time at Moon Rocks because I broke it. And since it's on an all-wheel drive front diff, we constantly turn that wheel. But since we took that CV off, on the drive home, that average economy went up to 10.4. So I'm curious to see if taking this silencer off and creating this kind of homemade cold air intake is going to affect the MPG at all. And so let's check it out. So we're on the freeway right now and it's up to 11.5. All right, guys, so I know that a 20-minute drive is not enough to be able to tell the actual average economy, but it's been at 10.3 since I've had this thing, and I hopped on the freeway, went 65, put it in cruise control, came back home. I stopped at the store for a second, hopped back in, and then got home, and it's sitting right there. So I mean, it gave me a 1.7 boost as far as I can tell right now. I will keep you guys updated in the description of this video to see if this goes up or down throughout the course of many miles of driving this thing. But thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Fence friends are going home.